ngicabanga ukuthi bese ngiwuphendulile umbuzo we-inflation, ngawuphendula umbuzo kambe umuphi omunye umbuzo bese ngiwuphendulile.
Ile emadlanga nelokhu njani ukuthi ubone ngathi
nomadlanga bengisawuphendula lo emadlanga.
yes
Bengisanikeza incazelo eyokuthi kuhulumeni ngokomthethosisekelo wase-South Africa siney'nhlaka eziwu-3 lento ekuthiwa ama-organ of state e-South Africa. Sinohlaka lwey'nkantolo oluholwa u-Chief Justice ekuyena ekuthiwa unamandla ngokwey'nkantolo, ngesingisi bathi une-judicial authority. And then sibe nohlaka likahulumeni oluholwa upresident le clown yasephalaphala yafihla imali phansi komatrasi uRamaphosa. So bathi yena une-executive authority. And then sibe nohlaka lwasePhalamende. Uhlaka lwasePhalamende lona luholwa ubani? Luholwa usomlomo kazwelonke, uSpeaker ngesingisi. So uSpeaker yena unani? Une-legislative authority. Now kubaluleke ngani ukuthi nginikeze le ncazelo? Kubaluleke ngokuthi nginikeze le ncazelo ngoba le inhlaka lezi zinemisebenzi engefani ezinikezwa umthethosisekelo wase-South Africa. For instance, inkantolo, okay, uhulumeni umsebenzi wakhe ukuthi akase ama-services kubantu base-South Africa a-implemente imithetho ekhona yase-South Africa. Iphalamende umsebenzi walo ngokomthethosisekelo ukuthi alakhe imithetho yakuleli zwe, ama-legislation akhiwe ephalamende. 2, iphalamende lenze lento ekuthiwa yini? I-oversight. I-oversight ukubukela ukusebenza kukahulumeni, abe yiso elokuthi uhulumeni usebenza kanjani. Now umehluko la usekutheni i-ad hoc ekhona i-intervention noma iukungenelela kwesishayamthetho sikazwelonke, whereas kolunye uhlangothi imadlanga commission iukungenelela kuka-president. Upresident esebenzisa i-executive authority njengomuntu okuyena oyi-head ye-executive. Now umbono wethu nizokhumbula kahle mhlawumbe ukuthi ke sasingakabi popular ngalezo ikhathi, kodwa ngalesikhathi usomlomo eqeda ukumemezela ukuthi uqoke ikomiti lakwa-justice nekomiti lasemaphoyiseni kulamakomiti asephalamende ukuthi akadingide indlela eyaphambili kule insolo eziphakanyiswe ubaba uMkhwanazi. Sahlala umhlangano justice, mina ngihlala kwa-justice vele, namaphoyisa emaphoyiseni kuhlala uShongo benoSikhosana. Sayikhuluma lento sathi uma ngabe i-executive isithathe isinqumo sokuthi izo-appoint i-commission of inquiry, akusidokwe eligayelwe thina lelo siyiphalamende. That is an executive decision. Okwesibili, thina umbono wethu njengomkhonto wesizwe ukuthi lento ye-commission of inquiry iwasta imali zombuso ngenxa yokuthi ayinamiphumela leyanto e-right. Namhlanje sine commission noma sine report ye commission kaZondo enama recommendations yokuthi akuboshwe abantu, aku-investigate abantu, aku-prosecute abantu. Bangakho abantu leya commission yaspenda over R1 billion. Bangakho abantu aba-investigatiwe nabantu ababoshiwe nabantu abaprosecutwayo as a result of that committee. Instead, i-IDEC eyayakhiwele ukuthi iphenye kabanzi amacala abantu abathinteka kwiZondo noma kuma-recommendations kaZondo, iluzile ifocus, babopha abantu bababophela into zakwa-HR njengoba bebophe uKhumalo, into engahlangene neZondo commission. So la kahle kahle umehluko usekutheni thina senza i-oversight responsibility njengesishayamthetho, i-executive i-commission of inquiry yona yenza umsebenzi we-executive ngoba iqokwe umengameli. Izothi mayiqeda-ke Madlanga Commission ihambe izocompile i-report bese ithathe le report ise kumengameli, and then izothi mayiqeda i-ad hoc icompile i-report ithathe le report iyoyichaza noma iyoyethula kwi-National Assembly kwindlu yowisomthetho. Then bese-ke kufanele ukuthi i-National Assembly iyamukele i-adopte. Uma seyi-adoptile ama-recommendations ayo azoba enforceable, whereas ama-recommendations eMadlanga Commission awana binding effect. Uma ngithi awana binding effect chaza ukuthi awananto ephoqayo ukuthi awalandelwe. So kodependa kunembeza noma kodependa kuma-systems abekwe uhulumeni nawo president ukuthi lama recommendations uma sekhona azolandelwa kanjani, but ayikho into ophoqayo ngokomthetho ukuthi lama recommendations awalandelwe. So I'm hoping ukuthi ngiyenzile ijustice nisiqolela uma ukuthi singene kule committee safaka isingisi kakhulu kanti asingeni kakhulu hayi ukuthi ngoba sisuke sichwenza siyazama uku-aligna nokuthi sifunde isimo nama-principles of engagement ukuthi ku-engagewa kanjani kodwa ngokuya isikhathi sami sizojwayela soba ingxenye nathi ngoba kuthiwa when you arrive in Rome you must do what the Romans do, ungaphumi eceleni. Mina engingakusho nje uma kuwukuthi le mibuzo ngiyiphendule yonke akukho engishiye eceleni because enye question engiyiphendulile bekuyi-question ye-G20 ekhona. I think ngirespondile kuyona ngokwanele unless umuntu oyibuzile feels ukuthi kukhona la ngingafikelelanga khona, I can still explain. I don't have a problem. But mina what I can say comrades ukuthi le responsibility ye-MK party le esinayo is a very big assignment ekufanele si-internalize, si-understand, singayithathi nje ungazi ukuthi it's a normal political activity ekhona efana namanye ama-activities e-South Africa. Abantu base-South Africa, they have lost faith in politics. That is why uma kuyovotwa kuba ne-voter turnout encane. It's because people have lost confidence in the system in its entirety. Banento yokuthi osopolitiki bayasidlala, badlala ngathi asethemba umuntu, akekho umuntu ozokwenza ngcono ngoba nalo ufike ethembise bese aphinde enze le akade egxeka kulo, so umehluko ugcine ungasabibikho. So what is important here comrades is that kufanele kube nemehluko omkhulu phakathi kwethu ne-ANC. Akumele si-inherite ama-tendencies akwagogo enza ukuthi abantu in fact abantu base-South Africa balose confidence kulela qembu, because my experience in politics ukuthi once abantu bayilose confidence kuwe, it's not easy ukuthi uyi-regain or baphinde bakwethembe. They are done with you. Ngeke baphinde bakwethembe, you are gone forever. So we must never miss an opportunity of protecting the little support or the massive support that we have today, because abantu basupporta ngoba benethemba lokuthi singenza kangcono, abasupporti ngoba bephoqelekile. Remember bane-choice yokuthi bangasupporti, abasupporti ngoba bephoqelekile. So isupport yabo akumele siyithathe for granted ukuthi hayi vele ingoba kumele because alikho elinye iqembu. It's because banenkolelo yokuthi singenza kangcono. So akumele-ke abantu base-South Africa sibaphoxe, siba-disappointe, baphinde babone another copy and paste of the ANC. Into ebacekile kwipolitiki, balose confidence, decide ukuthi bayihlalele emakhaya makuyovotwa, and then la beqala khona bebuya baphinde bathi kanti this is the same thing le ebesiloko sithi siyayibalekela for the past years kuma elections. So this support comes with a huge responsibility lesiyithole ebantwini. Ayizi nje on a blank check ukuthi siyasupportwa and then we must fold our arms. Siyasupportwa, then we must pull up our socks. Umkhonto, comrades, is an organization which is at the formative stage. Angabe unamanga umuntu futhi ngabe unamanga abantu base South Africa uma ethi iMK party iperfect. Ngabe lo muntu uyaphupha silele, is daydreaming uma engathi nje iMK party is a well off and a perfect organization. iMK party, comrade, ikwi formative stage, and the MK party has attracted rogue characters. Sinawo ama characters are rogue, are joining organization for their own selfish narrow interest. Abantu abajoyinele nje ukuthi mina ngizoyicebisa mina nomndeni wami and nothing else. Abangekho kulento esikuyona. So from time to time iorganization ezikhula kumele ibeka ama systems nama policies are right azokwazi ukuthi asuse igebengu, isolate igebengu from real politicians. Kusalo so politiki noma kusale abantu ngempela abaloyal kule agenda yomkhonto. Hayi abantu abarepresent ama jackets abo. Kule issue le yemali and so on. Mina I think intervention kamongameli, well, I'm not mina in a position yok defend ngithi imali idliwe or ayidliwe, I don't know. But into engayisho ukuthi le intervention kamongameli ngiyibona mina i-progressive and very helpful ngoba umengameli appointe i-judge elizokwenza i-inquiry about many things eyisolwayo. So mak appointwe lelo judge nginethemba lokuthi umengameli ngeke appoint i-judge elingawazi umsebenzi walo. I-judge izokwenza umsebenzi lisethulele i-report ukuthi kahle kahle ngoba one thing I learned in politics, you must never defend a person ongalali naye ebusuku ngoba umazi ukuthi ngalesikhathi ulele wena wenzani yena. Must never, ngoba uzosala uyiclown wedwa uma sekutholakala ukuthi you were just defending the indefensible. So le izosilekelela le intervention kamongameli ngoba iyona ezosinikeza iqiniso elokuthi kahle kahle lama allegations lawa andize emaphepheni ayiqiniso noma amanga yini. And also izonikeza ne society iqiniso because remember umkhonto wesizwe, comrades, ngendlela omkhulu ngayo awusawona wethu sodwa as members of the MK party. Kunama sympathizers ahlele ekhaya anganawo amakhadi omkhonto, anganayo membership, but ama supporters who are sitting at home, sympathizers whom we know that on the day of elections they will choose us. So we can't undermine those people sitting because abana membership and therefore what they are saying bears no value to the livelihood of our organization. Let us be a caring, let us be a listening organization. Let's emulate the character kaMengameli wethu, who is very accessible. Let us be a listening organization elalela abantu even if abawona amalungu omkhonto, for as long as be constructive guti, because you grow by being criticized as a person. If you are aloof to criticism, you are a permanent problem. Uyinkinga nje uyozungena ebhokisini uyinkinga because wena awucriticizeki. So mina I don't take offense when people are criticizing the MK party. It is upon our shoulders to defend our organization when it is wrongly criticized. But two, it is upon our shoulders to take society into confidence. Uma i-organization yethu i-attackwa ngamanga. Through lento ayenzile ubamnqamalala to say, okay, let me just appoint a senior advocate here ozokwenza i-report ngoba ube bethe i-leadership will intervene. I'm telling you, i-leadership ama-human beings, they also have their interest. Bebezogcina nabo sebengabi objective. Sebedrivewa ama-political dynamics. sebebizwele emaceleni sebethatha ama-decisions which are factionally orientated. Ibizogcina i-leadership nayo isiba biased because ba amalungu omkhonto nabo. So mina ngine-confidence kule intervention kamengameli. We must never doubt ama-interventions ka-president wethu ubaba uNcamalala uwenza for the best interest of the organization. And I agree ukuthi uma kunabantu abangenzanga kahle comrade ngoba siyakha la lana we are not here to recover our financial losses ukuthi because ngangu-ANC ngashawa ngaluza yonke into enganginayo ku-ANC so sengila kumkhonto ngizodla manje, this is my opportunity. We are not here for that. This is a big assignment, i-assignment yokukhulula abantu bakithi le. It's not about eating, because if it was about eating some of us would not be here. Sayilid ANC sa-exposwa kwi-opportunity but we refused to be part of unethical deals because asikholwele ekutheni kufanele usebenzise isikhundla for your own factional and narrow benefits. So la sikwi-assignment ye-dedication for i-liberation yabantu bakithi base-South Africa. Let's be loyal to your organization. Let's avoid being part of umhlangano or disruptive oplota ngabanye abantu ukuthi abanye abantu bacollapswa kanjani oplota nge-downfall yamanye ama-comrades. We are a young organization, comrades, and into engiyaziyo mina, once i-factionalism ingene kwi-DNA ye-organization ayibeselapheka. Once niyivumela ingene i-factionalism ngoba i-factionalism izala inzondo. 2, i-factionalism izala ukuthi eqembini kube nama-groups a-institutionalized. Uma ngibuka uShongwe ngithi nansi i-faction yami, uma ngibuka uSikhosana ngithi hawo nasi isitha sami ngoba uSikhosana ungale kwenye faction. Noma kuyokhethwa noma kumele siqoka abaholi, angizoqoka abaholi based on merits, ngizobuka ngokuthi lo ukwi-faction yami noma engekayilekelele kanjani i-organization noma engenayo kanjani i-wisdom yokulekelela i-organization, but ngizothi akungene yena ngoba ngifuna kungene nje uMamparo engizomicromanager, uMamparo ozolalela mina, uMamparo ozo-accounta kwi-faction yethu. And then si-compromise the equality of leadership because we're embracing factionalism. So izifo lezi comrades ezibulale lenhlangano yangale kwagogo eyayine potential enkulu yokuthi ingathatha lelizwe ilibeke to a prosperous society. Kodwa ngenxa yale igulo lezi abangakozanga ukuzelapha ngenxa yokuthanda ikhundla nokuthanda imali bagcine sebecollapswa yizona lezigulo lezi out of their failure to cure them. Kunabantu abasi-attack-ayo ke comrades every day la kwi-media. Mina ngithe ngifika nje ngabe ngifikela kwintombazane ekuthiwa uZizipho. I happen to see into ayikhulumayo la. But those things must never disrupt us, comrades. I think comrade uShongwe has correctly said ukuthi uma kukhulunywa ngawe every day lokho kuchaza ukuthi you are very important. Because abantu can't draw numbers, can't draw your attention on their own. For them to be listened to, they must talk about you. They must talk about President Zuma ukuze baleleleke kwi-society. So izinto engamele siyi-disrupt, disrupt i-propaganda espreadwa every day about umkhonto akuyena uZizipho yedwa, many of them abakhuluma into abayithandayo ngathi thina asifocus emsebenzini esiwunikezwe ile organization ngoba njengoba ngishilo ekuqaleni mangikhuluma ukuthi uNcamalala opened a dialogue and he invited us to a dinner table. All of us, the people of South Africa, wathi, this is a dialogue I'm introducing. Come and join this dialogue. Sibone ukuthi ilizwe lase South Africa singalisa kanjani phambili. Sibone ukuthi singaba liberate kanjani abantu bakithi. Sibone ukuthi umhlaba singawubuyisa kanjani. Sibone ukuthi white monopoly capital singayidismantle kanjani ingabikho abantu base South Africa kube yibo ababenefita kumnotho wase South Africa kungabenefita abantu bangaphandle. So ngalowo mazwi babukhomo siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi namhlanje us-invited to this platform. It's a very progressive platform. Ukuhlala nje until this time sidingide ngepolitiki because ipolitiki is a convergence of ideas, and in politics you learn one or two things, and three, in politics uma kuwukuthi ipolitiki yenu inequality, you can advance ama ideas ukuthi ilizwe lase South Africa nilikhulula kanjani, nilithatha kanjani futhi koNgqonkulu. So this is a progressive platform ungayeki. If anything siyayifisela le platform ukuthi ayiqhubeke iye phambili, and so inikeza yonke support eyidingayo. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga kakhulu nje xa unamandla. Hey mama lo bafowethu. Au.